This muscle, not very big, but this muscle is very big. Introducing proper American muscle, Ford Mustang GT 5.0. Look at this monster, guys, powered by a massive V8 engine. Absolutely beautiful design. Honestly, I was never a fan of American muscle cars until I got into this one. So let's not waste time and go in together. Alright, we're inside and this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. I don't know how else to say this, but even the interior of this car is very muscular looking. Okay, first things first, check out these Recaro seats. They're full leather and they hold you very nicely when you're taking corners in this car. Okay, our leather steering wheel is multifunctional and comes with pedal shifters. Speedometer cluster is fully digital and comes with a lot of information for you to see. This is your gear selector, very large infotainment screen. This is an engine start and stop button. I really like this position, very cool. Okay, you got cup holders to put your drinks, because in this car you might get thirsty from all the excitement, and a handbrake that you can pull. This is a 2020 car and I really appreciate they have a physical handbrake and not electric one. This is very nice, I like this very much. Okay, rear passenger room. This is a coupe, but you can definitely sit adults behind. The legroom is not say a lot, but it's there, and the seats are very deep in, so an adult can sit comfortably. Black color ceiling, very nice. I always like this in cars. Overall, very beautiful. Okay guys, interior is nice looking, the car is beautiful, but what we really need to talk about is the performance. This car is powered by a V8 5-liter engine that's producing 443 horsepower. It's doing 0 to 100 in 4 seconds. How crazy is that? Look, the aircon is on, it's working well, yet I'm sweating from all the excitement. And when you drive this car, it makes you feel so manly. My testosterone, I think, is overloading right now. Really super cool. Now about the deal. On a COE, this car still got 5 years and 9 months left. A lot of time for you to enjoy it. Also, the unit is super low mileage, only 23,000. Very low. The car is in superb condition. Okay? And in terms of Depre, you're looking at $34,000. Cheapest unit on the market as well. So guys, you all know what to do. Call me. But before you do, let's listen to the exhaust sound.